100 years since Titanic sank in the North Atlantic.
But people are still fascinated by the ship, its passengers, and the stories that emerged from that fateful voyage. As News Channel 8's Jenna Bass shows us, a new exhibit allows you to experience it.
It's called Titanic, an immersive journey, and from the moment you step onto this massive museum exhibit, you are transported as a passenger onto the ship that has captivated and fascinated people for over 114 years. The traveling exhibit is docked in Tampa, offering visitors a chance to experience history in a whole new way.
Visitors will experience 300 artifacts from Titanic. And when you go through the experience, you will realize it's split in three parts.
1, the artifacts. 2, the lifeboats.
Big immersive, a 2-story projection mapping, 360 degrees wraparound immersive room.
And 3, a state-of-the-art virtual reality experience.
You not only go to the bottom of the ocean to see the Titanic, how it rests today, but it also brings you back up onto the deck of the ship like you're the passenger.
Visitors even receive a boarding pass tied to a real passenger, learning their fate at the end, a moment organizers say often becomes emotional.
You come to the memorial wall, and then you will see your fate, whether you survived or perished, and that is a moment of truth.
Gotham says the goal is empathy.
The Titanic is a modern-day Greek tragedy. No matter your first class or third class, steerage or crew, you're all on the same level.
And with the help of a little AI, you can leave with one more layer to the legend that is the Titanic. And the experience runs through mid-April, and it's located less than a mile away from Raymond James Stadium, right on Dale Mabry Highway. You can head over to our website, WFLA.com, for more information. Reporting in Tampa, Jenna Bass, 8 on your side.
Max Defender 8.